Somewhere above you, the sky has opened its hands and let everything go. It's raining outside, a slow, steady desert rain, falling like it has nowhere else to be tonight, and neither do you. You are curled into the deep, built-in window bench of a beautiful desert bed and breakfast. The room is wide and peaceful, with high plaster walls, warm wooden beams, and expansive windows that look out into the vast, quiet landscape. Tucked beneath a heavy textured linen quilt from home that has faded soft with years of washing. Beside you, the glass is cool to the touch, fogged faintly at the edges from the warmth of your own breath. There is nowhere you need to be. Listen. The rain has its own language. 1,000 small syllables tapping against the glass, murmuring against the flat clay roof, whispering into the sandy soil like a story being told in a language only the night understands. The air smells faintly of lavender and something else you can't quite name. A single ceramic lamp glows amber in the corner, and its light pools across the smooth, warm floors like honey, thick and slow and golden. Outside, the silhouettes of ancient Joshua trees and tall cacti blur into soft shapes through the wet glass, each one standing quiet in the dark, receiving the rare gift of water. You watch a single drop begin its journey at the top of the window. It hesitates, it wanders, it gathers other small drops into itself as it goes, growing heavier, slower, until gravity finally pulls it down in one long silver trace. Somewhere far off, thunder murmurs low in its sleep, echoing gently across the wide open canyon. More felt than heard, a sound like the earth turning gently in its bed. You breathe in, and the air is cool and clean, laced with the mineral sweetness that only comes after rain in the desert. The rich, intoxicating scent of wet clay, wildflowers, and dry stone that has been waiting all day just to exhale. Your eyes grow heavy, the lamp light softens further, or perhaps it is only your vision, blurring gently at the edges the way the desert horizon blurs beyond the glass. You pull the blanket a little higher. Somewhere beneath you, or perhaps beside you, is the low hum of the house settling into itself for the night. The quiet settling of thick walls, the soft rustle of a linen curtain catching a cool breeze from the cracked open window. The particular hush that only exists in the desert when the rest of the world has gone quiet. You think of nothing in particular. A half-formed thought drifts by like a leaf on water, and you let it go without following it. The rain does not stop. It only softens, the way a voice softens when it senses someone falling asleep beside it. Tap, pause, tap, tap. A rhythm with no urgency, no destination, only the soft insistence of falling again and again, gentle as breath. You could listen to it forever, and tonight you don't have to choose between listening and drifting away. You can do both. You can let the sound carry you the way a river carries something it loves, slowly without ever needing to arrive. Your body sinks a little deeper into the cushions. Your hands loosen their grip on wakefulness. The window is a soft blur of silver now. The vast desert sky and rain merging into something dreamlike, something that could be a memory of rain or the rain remembering itself. Somewhere, a clock ticks, slow, patient, unbothered by time. You are warm, you are safe, you are held by nothing more than a blanket and the sound of water falling on the desert sand. And somehow, that is enough. The rain will still be here in the morning, or it won't, and either way, it doesn't matter tonight. Tonight, there is only this. The soft gray hush beyond the glass, the golden hush within the room, and the quiet, steady rhythm of rain that asks nothing of you except to listen and to rest. Let your eyes close. The rain will keep watch. You can sleep now.